Oh my God, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, so what's your name?
My name is Imo Victory.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, happy birthday. I heard today is your birthday.
Yes.
And you're celebrating it in a grand style. Yeah, so I want to wish you happy birthday. Sliver in good does not have. As Sliver in good I does not have. But I offer you vegetarian vegetable. So please accept this from me. You need apple to be apple for, okay? Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. May the Lord prosper you. May the Lord give you more grace. May He give you more open doors. Your children will look after you. You will never die before your time. Amen. And your mother will live to eat your fruit of your labor. In Jesus' name. Amen. I love you, sister. Happy birthday. Are you into heat?
It's a heat. I wear me name at you. I don't want
I game what the name of the age?
I let Anya say, I said, I saw you one motor. I saw what the A1.
And you will be on order. You will be on order. What you want to get a talker?
I want them left, I some left, I want them right in walker.
I don't got here with diabolical personality. Oh, here we are on your left and right.
Technical personality. You want your name at the BC that.
Mike.
I will go.
Mamma and Bawa Paga.
Blood are full. You are my mamma and Bob.
Damn you!
Them was.
Wow.